Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin in PayPal. So first of all, you can buy Bitcoin directly inside PayPal, but it's only available in supported countries, mainly the US, UK, but some EU countries. So if you didn't find it at your menu, you may not be able to do it. So you don't always have full control of a crypto wallet depending on the region that you are. So basically, once you're logged in into your account, click on the menu at the top left. You'll find three lines. Just go and click on that and you'll find the crypto option. If you didn't find under finance as a crypto option, that means it's not available in your region. You'll have to keep that in mind. So if you do have it, just click on crypto and you'll find a list of cryptos that you want to buy. Click on the one that you want to buy and enter buy. You'll find buy and sell. Maybe you do have a crypto. And of course, enter the amount that you want to buy. You don't need to buy a full Bitcoin, by the way. So if it's like 20K or if it's 60 or 80K, you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy, as an example, 0.1 or 0.00001, whatever you want. You can buy a specific amount, like $10 of Bitcoin, 50 of Bitcoin, and something like that. Then, once you enter the amount that you want, you, as an example, like $300. So here's Ethereum. You can change it to Bitcoin however you want. You can choose whether to pay with PayPal, which is it's going to be instant. You can choose using your debit card that is linked to PayPal, which will take from 5 to 10 minutes. And you can choose your bank account, which will take basically from 1 to 5 business days. So choose whatever you want and click on the option below. So if I choose PayPal, I'll find PayPal. If you choose debit card, I'll find debit card. And once I'm done, of course, before paying, you will be able to check the fees and the total cost. You'll see everything in the screen. If you are convinced, just click on buy now. And then the Bitcoin should be added to your account. So you can either hold it, sell it, and sometimes send it if you want to. So yeah, basically keep in mind that not all the countries have crypto available in PayPal. So if you don't have it, you will not be able to do it. And the fees are larger or are higher than crypto exchanges, and you may not fully control the privacy key, so keep that in mind. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.